Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuvir Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Sharira. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic from Rasashastra. It is, of course, useful for Agada Tantra subject as well. So, both for the Rasashastra and Agada Tantra subject, this lecture is very useful for second year BAMS students, Visha Varga. So, for communication, for difficulties, for any suggestions, you are always welcome on my WhatsApp 9226810 My dear friends, let us talk about Visha Varga. We will talk about Vatsanabha, Bhallatak, Dhattur, Jaypal, Gunja, Ahiphen, and Bhanga. But remember, although they are included in the Vishavarga, they are also useful for our Ayurvedic medical general practice because we are using Visha after purification. So Ayurveda has a belief, Ayurveda has a faith that each and every substance on this earth can be used as a medicine if it is used intellectually and skillfully. But for example, if even if you drink a amrita, ambrosia, or even if you drink a milk, and that too TOO in unwanted manner, or too much, or what you can say the polluted, contaminated, viruddhan, then that milk also can become a visha. And visha, when used in purified form and skillfully, that can become amrut. This is a concept of Ayurveda. Vish can become amrut if it is used intellectually and skillfully, and amrut can become visha if it is used improperly. So this is very important fundamental principle of Ayurveda. So let us talk about Visha Varga. We will discuss about name, main constituents, toxicity, antidote, shodhana, dose indications, and formulations. So this first we are going to discuss Vatsanabha, Bhallatak, Dhattur, Jaypal, Gunja, Ahiphen, and Bhanga. Now, Vatsanabha, Aconitum ferox. Latin name is Aconitum ferox. The important constituents are aconite, aconine, active principles, and picroconite, picroconitin, picroconitin. Okay, toxicity, if it is not very well used, it can cause heart attack, myocardial infarction, gastrointestinal tract irritation. Like, for example, gastritis will be there, giddiness, and also convulsions if it is used in improper form or with what you can say without removing the toxicity. Antidote, if something is going wrong with Vatsana, you can use Tankan, Haridra, turmeric, atropine, and digitalin. Now, how it is chosen is done? It is immersion in gomutra, that is cow's urine, for 3 days. Then Vatsana become purified. Okay, dose very less, 7.5 to 15 milligram only, not gram. Indication is Kushtha, all types of skin diseases, Madhumeha, that is diabetes mellitus, Apachi, like a lymphadenitis, and Shula, abdominal pain or musculoskeletal pain. Formulations products are Kala Kuta Rasa, Kala Kuta Rasa. Tribhuvan Kirti, this is the most famous product from Vatsanab. If you ask, tell me the most popular drug from Vatsanab is nothing but the Tribhuvana Kirti Ras. Tribhuvana Kirti Ras is the best medicine for influenza, for the flu, for the kapha vataja type of jwar. Remember this my specific words. Tribhuvan Kirti is not good for very, very high fever and ekantik paitika jwara. This is useful for Vata, Kafaja jwara, fever with cold, fever with cough, fever with sore throat. Okay, then what's up? Tribhuvan Kirti best. Sanjeevani Vati. This is also best medicine as like a intestinal antibiotic. So whenever there is epidemics of jaundice, epidemic of typhoid, this Sanjeevani Vati can also be useful as a preventive 2 tablets early in the morning without breakfast or during the breakfast. Ananda Bhairavaras is also useful like a Tribhuvan Kirti. This is the best medicine for CCF in GP. Interesting thing. Remember, kindly note this CCF in GP. What is that? Cold, cough, and fever. CCF in heart diseases in ICU, that is different. I am talking about CCF in GP, cold, cough and fever, Ananda Bhairav Rasa. Next is Bhallataka, Semicarpus anacardium, Semicarpol, and Bhilvanol. Semicarpol, Bhilvanol, main constituents. Then what is the toxicity of this Bhallataka if not taken in a proper way or impure form? Dyspnea, breathlessness, tachycardia, pulse rate will be very high, above 100 per minute. Hypotension, BP low, it's like a shock. Then coma. So be careful about using the Bhallataka. According to Ayurveda, this is the most pittakar dravya. Or rather, all these medicines, all these vishas, they definitely make a pitta prakopa. What are the properties of pitta? Pittam sasneha tikshnoshnam, laghu visram sram dravam. Tikshna and ushna properties, hot and heat will be increased in the body by this all the types of poisons. Okay, it can damage to the pitta and then vata. Vata pitta problem will be more. So, Bhallatak Shodhan or rather antidote is Dugdha and Ghrita. Milk and ghee is the best antidote for Bhallataka. Shodhana is done with Swedan for 1 yam in Narikel Ambu. Narikel coconut ambu, water, coconut water. Okay, tender coconut water. Then dose and indication 125 to 500 milligram. Indications are gulma, like tumor, then the grahani, that is enteritis, colitis, and irritable bowel syndrome, kushta, different types of skin diseases, and amashula. Whenever there is abdominal pain because of the arm or stomach pain, then you can use. But of course, it is a samata. All these medicines are useful in sama conditions and not in the nirama conditions. So what are available? Bhallatak Ghrita can be made. Bhallatak Rasayan, Bhallatak Asav is commonly used in the Kafaja Vyadhi, like cold, cough, and fever. Then Sanjivani Vati, here we have discussed about that. Next, we will go for the Visha Varga is Dhattura. Dhatura metal. This is the Latin name. Hyoscine, atropine, and scopolamine. Many of the allopathic medicines are prepared from the herbal origin or the extract of the herbs. That is one of example is atropine is prepared from the Dhatura. Okay. So toxicity of Dhatura is giddiness, then delirium, irrelevant talk, dysphagia, difficulty in deglutition, and dysuria, painful urination. Then the antidote is Ghrita, cow's ghee, and salt water. Then Shodhana is done Svedana in a Gomutra, cow's urine, for 12 hours. Dose is 25 to 50 milligram. Indications is Akshepaka. Akshepaka is like convulsions. Unmada, hysteria. Then Amavisha and Vrana, Dushta Vrana. You can use the Dhatura. The best product available is Kanakaso. I have used a lot this Kanakaso in Kafaja predominant respiratory problems. Note down this word. I am saying not Pittaja. Kapha Pradhana Shwasavikar. For example, pneumonia, bronchiectasis, bronchial asthma with lot of wet cough. Then it is useful. Not in the dry cough, not in the Pittaja, not in the burning. Sutta Shekhar Ras. This is also for the Sama Pitta. Remember this. It is not for Nirama Pitta. Dhatura Taila and Mahakana Taila. This is not available readily in the market, but somewhere they have the references of this particular Taila. Then Jaypal, Crotontiglium. The constituents are protein and crotanoside. Protein and crotanoside. Then what are the toxic effects or toxicity? Salivation, excessive salivation, tachycardia, pulse rate is high, vertigo, and vesication. So antidote is lemon juice. Shodhana is done Svedana with dugdha, that is cow's milk, for 3 hours. Dose is very less, 15 to 25 milligram. Indications as Arsha, that is the piles or hemorrhoids, Ashmari, that is urinary calculus, and Shotha, edema all over the body, and Udara, that is ascites. So this is Jaypal is the best medicine as a purgative. So it removes all pitta dosha from the body by doing the virechana. Virechana is one of the best purificatory process. 5 detox process, Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Rakta Mokshan, and Nasya. So Jaypal is best Virechana Dravya. So products are Ichha Bhedi Rasa, Jalodarari Rasa, Jwarari Rasa, and Anjana Bhairava Rasa. Ashwakanchuki, Ichabedi, and Naracharas. I remember these three important purgatives in Ayurveda: Ashwakanchuki, Ichabedi, and Naracharas. So all these contain the Jaypal in higher amount. Ashwakanchuki having very less, then Ichabedi is little bit more, and Naracharas is still more. Okay. Next is a Gunja, that is Abrus precatorius. Actually, Gunja reference comes also in the first year BMS. When you talk about the Rakta Dhatu and when you talk about the color of the Rakta Dhatu, the Granthakar or the Samhita Granthas, they mentioned comparison with the color of the Gunja. Okay, this is also one of the things that we keep for the spotting of Kriya Sharira Vijnana. Spotting, identify this substance and what is the reference. Then you have to say that it is referred in the Rakta Dhatu to simile of the blood and the color of the Rakta Dhatu, Gunja color. Contents, constituents, heparin, then glycyrrhizine, and N-methyl tryptophan. N-methyl tryptophan. Okay. Toxicity, nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea, that is loose motions, and necrosis, death of a particular tissue. Then antidote is, what is that? Swarasa, Chavaka Swarasa. Swarasa is the fresh juice. Shodhana is done in Svedana with Godugdha, cow's milk, for 3 hours. Dose 50 to 150 milligram. Then Indralupta, that is alopecia, hair loss is there, a specific region of your head. Then Mukhapaka, stomatitis, and Netra Roga, different ophthalmic problems, and Krimi Roga, roundworm, threadworm, tapeworm, all these, and amoebiasis and giardiasis. You can use the Gunja products like Gunja Bhadraras is available, and Gunja the Tail oil is also available. Some things are you have to prepare by yourself. Ahiphen, Papaver somniferum. The main constituents are morphine, codeine, narcotine, and nascopine. Okay. Toxicity, stage of excitement, stage of sapor, and stage of narcosis. Antidote is water of Ritha, then sarso and mori. Sarso ka tel matlab sarso is a mori, and sarso means mori. Then Shodhana is done with Svedana in a Shunthi Swarasa for 21 times. Ginger. Dose and indication 60 to 120 milligram. Indications is Rakta Atisar, that is for bleeding, diarrhea. Atisar, simple diarrhea, bacterial, jwara, fever, and shula. So whenever there is a what you can say, the abdominal water pollution and food toxicity, food poisoning, and the patient is suffering from this type of problem, and we have to control the particular diarrhea immediately. We have to stop immediately this diarrhea, because the patient is landing into the 3rd degree dehydration. To avoid this seriousness, we can use the Ahiphen product. Like for example, Ahiphen Asava is there, Karpuras is there, Nidradayavati for insomnia purpose, and Kshiravati is also there. But unfortunately, these products are now not easily available. The doctor's prescription is needed for this getting these products. Even there is restrictions on manufacturing these particular products. Okay, Bhanga is a cannabis sativa. Constituent is a tetrahydrocannabinol. Then the toxicity is drowsiness, muscular weakness. Antidote is amla rasatmak, any substance. Shodhan is done Svedana with Godugdha, that is cow's milk, for 3 hours. Dose is 250 to 500 milligram. Indications are Arsha, piles or hemorrhoids, Shula, pain, and Agnimandya, that is indigestion. Jati Phaladi Churna is available, and Madonadaya Modaka is also available. So my dear friends, today we have discussed about the important, what you can say, the Visha Varga for Rasashastra and for Agada Tantra. I hope you have liked this video. So anybody viewer, my subscriber is having the health problem and they want the paid online consultation, or any student want the BMS private paid tuitions, they can WhatsApp me on 9226810630. Okay. I wish all the best. Please take care. And also I request all of you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Ayurveda Academy. And please press the button icon to get the intimation of the different videos that I am uploading frequently. Okay, thank you very much. All the best and take care, and bye-bye.